welcome to another decoupage tutorial. Hi, I'm Veronica and today we're gonna do a cute Corgi Christmas ornament. If you have any questions after watching this tutorial, just let me know and I'll be more than happy answer any question you might have. So let's get started. For this project I chose plastic ball ornament and I painted it twice with white paint, let it dry between each layer. Then I use rice paper for this project and these are the three images I chose for it. I use water pen to cut out my images. I don't cut out the images with scissors. If you don't have a watering pen, just use small brush and water. Then go ahead and tear up your images in few places so it can fit better onto the ornament itself. Then I applied a little bit of decoupage glue onto the ornament itself. Then I put on the image on the ornament and then I seal it with another layer of decoupage glue. When I saw any wrinkles, I just cut inside a little bit more to make sure the wrinkle is gone. After putting the three images onto the ornament and let the glue dry, I am painting the whole ornament with white paint all around. Also, I am going inside the rice paper itself for better blending. Then it's time to paint the ornament a little bit more, so I am choosing gray paint and some blue paint as well, and I am blending it after with dabber as well. With little bit of water and red paint, I am putting a bit of red dots on the ornament itself. I let the whole ornament dry. After drying, I am applying my decoupage glitter glue. Of course, if you don't have decoupage glitter glue, you can skip this step altogether. If you have glitter decoupage glue, just make sure there is no excess because it will dry out white, not clear. After drying, it is time to seal our ornament. I am using pouring glaze. Of course, you can use varnish as well. I am applying 4 layers of the glaze. Let it dry between each layer. And this way I'm getting a nice shiny glass looking ornament. On top of the ornament I am using a little bit of clay and molds. I use poinsettia mold and gift bags mold as well, and I am gluing it with express glue from Pentart. If you like this kind of tutorial, please do subscribe to my channel. All material I use will be listed in description box below. If I cannot find the same kind of material I use, I will be putting something similar to it. So now I am gluing my poinsettia on the top of the ornament with express glue from Pentard. The same way I will be gluing the gift bags as well and some little clay balls as well. After it is all glued together, let it dry. Then it's time, after it is dry, to paint our poinsettia and gift bags and bows. If you don't want to make your own ornaments, you just want to buy them, I do have an Etsy shop where you can see what kind of ornaments I do have available. The link to my shop will be in the description below. Of course, I do love custom orders as well, so if you don't see anything you like, just let me know and maybe I can do a special ornament for you. I am painting the bows blues for a little bit of accent of the ornament, so the bows will pop up in the ornament itself. Of course, you can paint whatever colors you want. To give my design a little bit of shabby chic look, I am just using a little bit of white paint and lots of water and wiping off any excess of it. With a sponge and white paint, I am putting on white paint on the poinsettia and gift bags to give it a white snowy look. After it is dry, I am sealing it with matte varnish. Of course, you can use glossy one as well. The matte varnish I use is water-based. Then I let it dry. After it's dry, I am using Arctic Snow from Stamperia, and with a dabber I am applying the snow on the poinsettias and gift bags for a little glimmer, shimmering look. For a 3D look, I am using Snow Crystal pen from Pentard and 3D decor pen as well from Pentard for a little bit of accent of the ornament here and there. let it all dry. The last step is to put ribbon on the top of the ornament. Of course, you can skip this step if you don't want a ribbon on your ornament. And after this, the ornament is done. And here it is all finished, a cute corgi ornament with poinsettias on top. If you liked this tutorial, please do give me a thumbs up, please do comment and subscribe if you haven't already. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. More are coming up, like Valentine's Day decor and also of course Easter decor as well. Until next time, bye.